So, are you wondering, is the Osmo Pocket still viable in 2021, going into 2022? Well, this video is for you, and I'm also dedicating this video to my buddy Fish. Fish, you were thinking about getting an Osmo Pocket, or possibly the Pocket 2, so I came all the way to France just for you. Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm doing is getting out the old Osmo Pocket to see if it's still worthy in 2021. Now this video, of course, I'm dedicating to my friend Fish. He's got a YouTube channel called Fishy Comics, and he's thinking about getting a Pocket or a Pocket 2. So what we're going to do is just show him some footage. It's just all going to be B-roll, and let him decide if it's the route he wants to go. And I have spared no expense. I have been to Morocco, I have been to France, I have even been outer space to make this video. And to prove it, I'm going to show you the spaceport right here. As you can see, I'm on the galaxy's edge, a planet far, far away. So, without any further delay, let's get into this video. Okay, so I went ahead and I ditched Paris and caught a flight, and now I'm in the Kingdom of Morocco. Now that we have left Morocco, we have landed in Hollywood. So let's walk around Hollywood and collect some views and sights.
Got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away. Let it be the thing that I am longing for. Let's fly out from Manhattan to the California shore, just to watch the ships at night on the San Francisco Bay. Oh, lover, please, please stay.
Okay, so this whole video was shot in 4K 30 on the DJI Osmo Pocket 1, the original. Fish buddy, I hope this helps you decide if you want to buy a Pocket 1 or a Pocket 2. I don't have any Pocket 2 footage, but at least you can see how good the Pocket 1 is. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.